precision airstrike.
Let's get back on the heli.
Wait, can I actually...
What?
No, I don't think I can actually go in. Damn.
You can't, no. I can switch seats as well. Hello.
Wait, who's flying?
Oh crap!
Oh no. I said, who's flying?
That was straight out of a movie, bro. That was actually the funniest one. Yo, we have to clip that. That is so funny, bro. That is actually so funny.
Oh my god.
I thought I changed seats in time.